and you can actually clone an email campaign. So you go copy, boom, and then now I can come in here, edit it.
Edit that one.
Yeah, and so this is like a new version. I cloned it.
It has the first.
Everything's the same. You can change the other previous ones. Yeah, and so now I have all this. So then now I'm gonna put in like
a different second email, maybe.
Yeah, voice first / dry cleaner, whatever that link is, and then and then here you can also edit like your fonts. So you can go. Sometimes it's really wacky. If I go 14, sometimes it makes it bigger. Like that, mess with it. 14 pixels is 12. Okay. 12-point font. Okay. 14 pix is like in your email. Yeah, for some reason. Okay, so then you can add a follow-up stage. So this is if send prospects to have not opened the message after, I would say like 4 days is good. 5 days. And then you can do add follow-up state. Send to prospects who have not replied. So say they clicked and they opened and be like, and then you can go, let's see one more. Whatever. You get the point.
Yeah, nice.
So then, okay, so now, see now you have like the rounds. Boom, 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 boom. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Email send. I'm trying to think. Like this will store all your contacts. I did not do this or this. I think it's better just on web-based, but that's just because that's what I know. And when they reply, they'll reply to the email that you send, that you put. It will get directly to this email here. But then you can always just reply back to them via this. You are now ready to start email campaigning with SalesHandy. Check. Okay.